Yeah, setting up from the campsite this morning. A little bit of road work first. We're going to, can't remember the name of it, it's a waterfall. I'll let you go later. Here we are, a little bit of road work. And alongside the river we go. Look what we found, asleep on the side of the road. Go and have a closer look at it. Look at that. Baby badger. Hello Alison.
Good morning!
I did mention yesterday that I'm taking her back when we get back. Yeah, she's only, well, it's not weekend visit. Just over this week she's having a couple of days away from a treatment. See if she's cured, but I don't think she is. Here we're coming, just crossing the bridge over the river, River North Tyne. Look that way, go to Kielder. And that way, out this. Carrying a bit of extra water, but it's gone down since yesterday. Gone down a lot. This is Hope Park, and we join the Pennine Way here, just for a little bit. First steps of it. There's a dog's loosed. Hi, Pip! Oh, look, look. Right, went up instead of down over. Look. You lot, give over. Pip, you just gobshite, Pip. Lovely little stretch of river here. Talked to a gentleman there, he reckons it's 2 to 3 foot down to yesterday. So yeah. Come here! What are you doing jumping in there? Eh? Eh? I think you thought it was still solid, didn't you? Yeah. Oh yeah, still up. Still quite a long way up, isn't it? Really. We are in the woods leading up to the waterfall. You can hear the river. Just get glimpses of it every now and again. I think we'll miss the best of the silver birch display. The odd one, still nice and yellow. Got leaves on the floor. I've got a bit of a wheel here, it's not coming up. Have a little look. Quite good actually. Best view of it. See if we can get a better view just round here. A lot of bushes here. Oh yeah, little viewing platform here with some smashing. Here, come here dogs, don't go in there. Hey, Joe, come here, get up here. Joe! Good girl. Sweet. Best time to come to see a waterfall when there's a bit of water in the river. For that. Yeah, hopefully we've got one even better. Fantastic. That's lovely. Down the river there. So now we're out of there, Alison. What did you think of that? Was it good?
Powerful.
Powerful. Oh. Powerful, she says. Bloody fantastic, I say. Yeah. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Little footbridge now, across the stream. The beautiful colours there now. The lime tree here on the left hand side, and the sycamore's got a bit of colour in. The oak's got a bit of colour in there. Down there into the sun. Yeah. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. And it stopped raining. Hey! Coming up to another bit of a waterfall here in a minute. Just for a state through the trees over. Some lovely colours. And the sun's trying to get out just to enhance everything. Yeah, there we go. Another little footbridge across the stream. There's a bit of a landslide here on the left hand side. Some big trees up there ready to come down on the next one. Bridge. Enjoying yourselves, dogs? Yeah, Dylan's having a wonderful time, aren't you, Chris? Another little footbridge coming up too, about 50 yards up the stream from the last one. Watch wobbly. Oh, look at that. Beach, autumn colours. Yeah, bit of hazel in there as well. These little chaps on here, no idea what they are. I'm not very good at fungus. Fungi. Back to the other side we go! Hey! Another little footbridge. Yeah. Fourth footbridge. Fourth bridge, this is a fourth bridge. Which in Northumberland, not the fourth bridge you're thinking of, that goes across the Firth of Forth. This is the Northumberland fourth bridge. Some more fungi quietly eating the tree away. Here's another way bridge. 5. Bridge number 5, yeah. unbuilt. What you can see from this side, you might be can't really see it very well now, but yeah, there's some stone arches and then woodwork. Wow, look at these here on the left hand side. Yeah. Bought a pair of pliers. Oh, is that 50p that one? Or is it tons? There's a 5p. 5p all.
Yeah.
Right. There's a seg off the shoe. Oh, come down here, look. Someone's going to have another metal detector on us. He's rotted away. I think they found a hoard of Viking coins or something. Oh, the pound coin.
It's all pliers.
Right. Start to approach. Quite large waterfall now. Somehow, I don't think we're going to get out of this valley to cut across. Hanging down. Bit of water coming over the top of there. I was hoping I'd be able to walk up somewhere here and get out. But without rope, I don't think we're going to manage it, especially with 4 dogs. And then Alison. Oh, pretty fantastic that. Really good. It's been raining the last couple of days, so putting a good show on for us. There's a race starting to drop now, the race dropping. The wind off this waterfall is fantastic, it's blowing at me. It's only a little one. I'm stood here like the rocks have fallen down, possibly washed into the river over the years. Over there, look. Spectacular, eh?
Spectacular, that one.
Spectacular. There's a big word for you. Yeah? That's because she goes to school. Not to teach anyone, to learn. I think. I don't know what she does actually. I think they just drink coffee. Yeah, I think they drink coffee and chat. Is that what you do, Alison, at school? Drink coffee and chat? Yes. Yeah. Oh, twiddling your thumbs.
Sums.
Twiddling your thumbs, you said. That's why you got arthritis in your thumbs. Right. We're on our way back down because Alison didn't want to climb up
Oh, climbing up
to get
there.
out.
You want to climb up?
I'm sure we could have climbed up somewhere here,
Ah.
but she's not willing. So it's just all the way back down the same way. Yeah, she's got a sore toe. It's not getting carried. Just walk the same route back now we do, so I'm going to turn the camera off because I don't. If there's anything nice to see on the way back down, I'll put the camera on. But if there's not, I'm not going to. And it looks like the sun's gone in, so we're not really going to get some nice sunshine through the colours. So I'm going to turn the camera off and make my steady way down here, and we might have a brew. If we're going to have a brew, I'll put the camera back on maybe. So we'll see. We'll see. We've got plenty of water for a brew running alongside our right hand side now. So we'll see. Right, I'm just rabbiting on about shite now, so I'm going. Okay? See you all later. Thanks for watching my video, and have a good time and make yourself happy every single day. Okay, see you all later.